The salt breeze carried memories as Ajit Chakra stood on the polluted shoreline, his weathered hands trembling not from age, but from the weight of what he witnessed. Plastic bottles bobbed where sea turtles once gracefully surfaced for air. Oil slicks painted rainbow patterns across waters that had once sparkled like liquid diamonds in his childhood dreams. Ajit closed his eyes and remembered he was 7 again, racing barefoot across pristine sand.
Dulu masyarakat umum karena mengambil telur penyu, kami dari masyarakat dan tokoh desa Umanyar berinisiatif untuk menyelamatkan agar penyu yang ada di perairan kita ini biar tidak punah. Maka dari itu terbentuklah satu kelompok yang namanya Pokmaswas.
Each morning, Ajit would walk the shore, counting the dwindling number of turtle nests, his heart breaking a little more with each empty stretch of sand. The lives he couldn't save, but the ocean, in its infinite wisdom, had been preparing a miracle. It started with Pak 80, the village leader, arriving at Ajik's doorstep one misty morning.
Nama saya Putu Edi Mulyana, berbekal Desa Umanyar, Kecamatan Sirwit, Kabupaten Buleleng, Bali. Habitat biota laut yang ada di Desa Umanyar, khususnya di Pantai Umanyar, dulu itu kami di sini tidak ada yang peduli. Jadi banyak penyu-penyu yang dimakan oleh pemangsa seperti anjing dan lain-lain. Nah, kami di Desa Umanyar mencoba untuk berbuat sesuatu untuk bisa mencegah hal itu terjadi dengan melakukan penangkaran.
Word spread through the village like morning light across water. Families who had lived by the sea for generations began to understand that their own survival was intertwined with the fate of the turtles. Fishermen who had once seen conservation as an obstacle to their livelihood started recognizing these ancient mariners as indicators of ocean health. Healthy seas meant healthy fish, and healthy fish meant healthy communities. The transformation was extraordinary. Community members arrived with offerings that overwhelmed Ajik's tender heart. Young people volunteered their time to patrol the beaches at night, protecting nests from predators and poachers. Local businesses contributed funds, equipment, and expertise. Fishermen shared their knowledge of turtle behavior and migration patterns. In the grateful eyes of every turtle that found safety in their sanctuary, Ajik heard the ocean's whispered message. Well done, faithful guardian. Well done.